Not sushi. I mean, raw. We actually eat raw fish quite a lot.
Wow.
Oh, look at this banchan, guys.
한국 음식을 많이 아시는지 모르겠지만
아, 문어 숙회가 반찬으로 나오네.
무침, 양미리 무침. 이게 밑반찬이라고요?
우와.
대박이다.
개복치.
개복치라 그래가지고
Kebuchi, the big sailfish. Kebuchi.
Nice. We get to try it. Yeah, we saw it.
발이에요. 발.
It looks
Gejang.
네, 게장인데
Oh, stop it.
가장 흔한 건데도 불구하고 얘는 동양 숙회예요. 동양 숙회.
This is too nice.
This is amazing.
Just come here. Yeah, you are.
I don't know what you want to do to me.
가자미 식혜고요. 지금 여기 나온 모든 음식은 다 앞바다 동해 안에서 지금 저 앞바다에 잡은 거예요.
Yeah. I didn't know they caught milkship. Yeah, I didn't know.
Okay.
I didn't know they
Everything's from
caught
here.
milkship. Yeah, I didn't know.
Okay. Everything here fresh from the market, as we saw.
Amazing. What's this?
Alright.
Is this tot?
여기서 잡아왔으니 얼마나 신선하겠어요.
아이고야, 맛있겠다.
All right, let's
Amazing.
eat. Let's get some food. Let's try
Amazing,
some
guys.
banchan.
Yes.
I'm gonna try the kimchi first.
Yeah.
The indication. Remember we
Indication.
Yeah.
Okay.
If it's not good, we'll just get up now and we'll walk out, okay?
said. Oh
Go
yeah.
ahead. Oh yeah.
대박. Amazing.
Well, you know, like if you go there and you have straight off, if you have a really good kimchi, you know that the rest is going to be good.
Nice and sour.
Yep.
Spicy, nice, sourish.
Because I don't know how they made it, but maybe I don't taste a lot of jokka, right?
No,
Not a lot, the salted fish taste.
No, not a lot of sourness, a lot of spice, but
Yeah.
not as deep as you would say in other
Yeah.
regions.
Exactly.
It's pretty fermented. This is
Yeah.
not a new.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
The sailfish.
I want to try it.
This is the one we saw before.
Yes.
It looks like suyuk or something.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
이게 뭐였죠? 아까? 이게 개복치였나? 맞죠, 개복치.
진짜 궁금해요, 개복치 맛.
Yeah, it's a big animal. Big animals normally aren't tasty, in my opinion.
That is a nice texture.
That is very
It's
nice.
like chicken.
It's very much like chicken.
Chicken or
Chicken
pork.
fish.
이 식감이 난 치킨
I
좋아해.
call it chicken fish.
생선인데 닭고기 맛이 나요.
I'm just gonna call it chicken fish from now on. We're just gonna call this duck bulgogi.
This is gonna be the killer though. What did he say? Youngmiri?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. They're moving.
got
Something is moving here.
Yep.
All right.
생새우. 오.
이거 손질할 수 있을까요? 이건 엄청 타닥타닥 뛰는데.
Yeah, 춤.
This is really good food. Really Korean food.
No, this
Where
is.
it's going?
I'm so happy right now, guys.
이거 꽃새우 같은데.
꽃새우회 진짜 맛있죠.
It's beautiful.
Yes. Amazing.
Yeah.
But the stripes.
Yes. So this one's called gotseu, which
Okay.
means flower shrimp.
이거는 근데 진짜 아무것도 안 찍고 이것만 넣어도 달아요.
설탕 넣어서.
Yes. Normally very popular. It's gonna kick. 그 사장님 어떻게 손질하는지 궁금해요. 네. 네. 한 마리.
머리를
네.
머리를
네.
오.
씻고.
넣어도 돼요.
네. We're gonna make.
이거 잡고 입에 그냥 통째로 넣은 다음에
네.
구멍을 해고 껍데기 이렇게 뱉어내야 돼요.
네. 이거
Okay.
뱉어야 돼요.
Interesting.
Okay. Cheers, guys.
All right.
Wow.
Do me cheers. 생새우.
생새우.
오, 부러워. 부러워.
아우.
Oh. Oh.
새우 너무 고마운 친구예요, 사실. 좀 미안하지만.
Man,
Delicious.
that is fantastic food. It's got that nice sweet
The
Sweetness,
sweetness of it.
super fresh.
The butter is melting down.
Buttery.
It's so
That's the
buttery.
word I'm thinking.
Yeah, it's so buttery.
Really buttery.
Juicy, buttery.
Just so clean, right?
Yeah.
깔끔해요.
맞아, 비린내가 1도 없어요, 정말.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, but you're delicious.
That's a t-shirt.
Yep.
I'm gonna take this. You can touch that in the kimchi stuff. That's my jam. Is it initial? What, the peeling?
Yeah. It just melts like butter. Wow.
Yeah, in Australia you're not allowed to take them when they have the eggs. Yeah, it's really bad.
In Italy, for a meal like this, you have to spend hundreds of dollars.
Yeah, I bet. 감사합니다.
Hundred.
Really.
Like all these raw shrimps, this quality,
Yeah.
it's a fortune. 네. Okay. I cannot eat. I cannot eat.
뭐지?
What is better than kimchi rice?
Nothing.
Nothing is better.
Maybe 삼겹살. maybe 삼겹살.
저거 게딱지 아니 게딱지?
But why?
We'll get you more rice.
네, 다 주세요. 다. All of it.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for donating your rice.
Ah, what is he putting in there?
Ooh,
Ah, what is he putting in there?
ooh.
아이고.
Little 참기름?
이거 뭐야?
들기름.
들기름. All right.
Oh, it's always been 참기름.
Yeah, I've never had it with 들기름.
It's been delish.
Like,
Oh,
There we go.
감사합니다.
oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
oh.
저 진짜 맛있을 때 나오는 표정인데.
Yeah, you can't taste the 들기름 that much. It's just enough.
Oh, that's nice.
It's nice and rounded.
Super nutty.
Yeah.
Really nutty.
고소하다.
그래 오죽하면 밥도둑이라고 그랬어.
Incredible.
그럼요.
It's like I don't know where to go. It's like, oh, these are great.
먹고 싶다.
Oh, that's my favorite. Oh, no, wait.
Ooh. That crab though.
That crab, the aftertaste, what is coming next? It's not ending, it's not finishing.
That is a challenge. All right, so this soup we're getting is going to be the fish we saw, that really ugly fish.
Okay,
Kimchi.
amazing.
Yeah. Soup?
No, it's like eat after.
애주가분들이 진짜 사랑하죠.
술안주로.
Wow, guys, this is amazing, right?
Yeah, incredible. It looks like a
Looks like a 매운탕.
매운탕, yeah. Kimchi 매운탕. I'm sure they put kimchi in there.
Now that you with a spoon, you can see you can pull it out of the fish.
Wow.
Actually, this dish is kind of a new dish because the fish was so ugly. Maybe 30 years ago, nobody ate it. Right?
No one was saying
But
this.
So recently people started using
Yeah,
this in
this is a
the
recent
local
dish.
cuisine.
Wow, that's amazing.
Okay, well,
I want to know the reason why that is. I wonder if it has something to do with the Korean War, like, or the aftermath of that.
Wow.
That's the way I think.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
to the ugly fish.
The ugly fish.
To the ugly fish. Okay.
Oh, that's a bit naughty, that one. That's a
나름
little
추워도
bit
이제
too
안쪽으로
nice.
뜨끈하게 이렇게.
You know, when
Healing.
you know when something's just too nice, you don't deserve it.
Texture.
Oh, that's delicious. You know when
Healing.
something's too nice.
Too nice.
This is spicy.
Spicy.
Well, it is spicy.
Spicy?
It's
I'm
not
good for me. It's
Yeah.
Whoa. Look at this, man. The texture.
Oh, that's delicious.
Whoa. You don't even have to chew. It just melts.
그렇죠.
Let it down.
Yeah.
It doesn't look too good.
You can see why 30 years ago people avoided it.
비주얼은 좀 생소하긴 하죠.
It looks like maybe it's a similar texture to monge
Yeah.
or something like that, where it has that slipperiness to it. But cheers, guys.
Cheers.
stunning.
It's such an interesting texture.
Yeah.
Like I've never.
They got me. They got me.
어려울 수 있죠.
네, 어려울 수
어려울 수
있어요.
있어.
예.
I think for me that soup was challenging, as like texturally it had like a very mulkong, just a little bit of like quite hard to eat. But I could appreciate like it was just like I'm not that familiar with those kind of.
아니 한국 사람들도 좋아하는 사람이 있고 별로 안 좋아하는
맞아요.
사람도 있어요.
Technique. Maybe one day when you try and teach us, we might learn a really cool kimchi.
I like the organi type.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
that's
good.
your
too.
that's your drive.
되게 편안하게.
Good food just makes me happy.
To be a little bit more taste up.
In this area. Yeah, that's good.
오스틴이 드시고 있는 거는 다 먹고 싶어. 맛있게 드시고.
Definitely give the taste. The taste, and it helps also the other ingredients to be a little bit more taste up. Or
Yeah,
the
just kind of boosts everything up,
boost,
right? Yeah,
exactly.
just like
Boost up.
That's a good way to end the meal.
마지막 메뉴로 좋았어.
This is awesome.
순서까지
this is
중요한
beautiful.
거.
Yeah.
Where's dessert? Who 시켰어요?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice.
Should we go make some kimchi?
Yeah, let's do it.
Awesome.
Amazing.
All right.
Perfect.
Sweet.